Hello and welcome to this channel Abroad Job. Hope you all are well and a good morning to all of you. So in this video we will know what is the latest job vacancies from Poland, and I think everybody knows Poland is a European country, and nowadays after COVID-19 finished, there are huge opportunity from European country like Malta, Poland, Netherlands, and many countries in Europe. So if you want to move with a job, you have to apply in the proper way. Nowadays, everything is possible online. So if you apply online in the proper way, of course you can get a job in Europe without any help of from any agency or any consultancy. You need to apply online. You have to attend the interview. Of course, you can get a employment contract or job offer, so that you can apply in the embassy according to the employment contract or job offer, and you can make the visa and you can book your flight and you can move with the same country with his job. So this is the basic things. Nowadays everything is possible online, so don't worry. So today we'll know what is the job openings, urgent job vacancies from Poland, and how to apply. So this is completely free requirement, and if you will apply in the proper way, you can get a chance to move Poland with a job. So let's know what are the job openings without India. This is a multiple vacancies in Poland. Vacancies in Poland, client interview will be 13, 14, 15, 16, and it's already extended to also in the upcoming dates. So don't worry for that. You just need to apply. Many times they are telling thinking some candidates that this date already gone, so we don't need to be applied. It's wrong. So they have opportunity still. They are receiving the applications, so don't worry for that. So I know, I understand on the interview date already gone. Still I would like to tell you, this is the good opportunity. You can play your CV to the consultancy or agency or online directly to the company, so that your CV will be highlighted, and of course in the upcoming days you can get a chance to move Europe or Poland with a job. So this is the job openings for truck drivers. 5 years of experience requirements. 150 vacancies. That means there are vacancies for 150 candidates. Indian valid license requirements. Overseas driving experience are an advantage. Salary will be 1,20,000 in Indian rupees. Maximum 1,50,000 per month plus OT. Bus driver also requirements for 100 vacancies. Same the 5 years of experience requirements, and the salary is also put 70,000 to 90,000. MIG welder also requirements. TIG welders requirements. Benefit you can get accommodation provided, police, government, health insurance, and uniforms will be provided. So you can see here, this is the office address in Chennai. You can visit to the office too. Now I am telling you, if you are thinking that the applying date or interview date already finished, my sincere request, okay, the interview date or applying date already finished, but my suggestion, please visit to the office, ask them about the upcoming jobs, or else if this job already extended for the receiving application, you can apply also for this job. So my purpose of this video, I can give you a official address, so that you can visit the office directly and you can verify that this office is genuine or not, they are processing genuinely or not, and the applying process is genuine or not. Everything you can verify in the office, so that it will be easy. It will be a genuine process
Adios,
for you
amigo.
if you will be
Powering off.
verified. So that is the purpose of this video. So you can visit to the office, you can contact them, you can touch with them, you can ask for the upcoming job openings, and you can also ask them about the interview. Everything you can directly touch with them. So this is the purpose of this video. So I hope you utilize these informations, and as I collect informations for these requirements, they are extending, they are receiving applications, so you can also apply for this job. Don't worry for that. Still, if you are thinking this date or this client interview already finished. So you can visit to this video and request them that they will inform you for the upcoming jobs, so that you can directly know what is the job upcoming job openings and how you have to prepare and how you can attend the interview, so that it will be easy to get a job. So I hope you understand, and if you have any questions you can drop a question in the comment box. I will try to give your answer. So guys, this information is available in the descriptions below this video. So my sincere request, please visit to the descriptions below this video, collect all informations, try to apply as much as possible. And the main thing, I already repeat, again I would like to tell you, please visit to the office and talk with them, discuss with them, and request them to let you know the upcoming job openings, so that you can easily prepare for job, for interview, and you can get a job. So best of luck for your career, I would like to tell you again. So share this information to your friends and relatives or candidates who want to move European country with a job. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video I'll come with the latest job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel, check each and every videos and apply as soon as possible to get a abroad job. So finally, lots of thanks. Bye bye.